I've been getting a lot about opening up to possibilities. It can be really hard. Possibilities sound so great, but it's scary. So many of us have faced, and there are so many horrendous things so many are trying to cope with on this planet. It's hard to think about being open to possibilities. And just to note too, I was trying to show up, I don't think you can see it very well. It is a chrysalis that a being has
It's okay, buddy.
broken out of and is just barely starting to unfurl and open up from. Remember, the chrysalis stage is goo. You're straight up goo in there. It's just to say, right, it's a process. Be patient with ourselves and gentle with ourselves. And open up to what blessings and gifts might be coming.